Want to create an online course but have no idea where to even begin? There is so much to learn when you haven't learned it yet. Luckily for you, I have created a free course creation starter kit, which includes a whole bunch of tutorial videos, a worksheet, a free quiz and a challenge, and downloadable templates, which will help you completely understand what the course creation process looks like from beginning to end. That will finally help you get that online course out of your head and into the hands of your customers, making you an income and making a positive difference to their lives too. So if you want to get started creating your very own online course, please grab this free course creation starter kit right now. My name's Cordiner and I have been a qualified course creation specialist for well over a decade and have helped thousands of people create their own online courses. I've personally got over 60 online courses of my own, over 20,000 students in 146 countries, and have helped hundreds and thousands of other course creators, entrepreneurs, edupreneurs, authors, speakers, experts in every field and industry you can imagine to also create their own profitable online courses too. Now the best thing is once you've created your online course, which is a lot easier than you might think, I promise, you can then turn that into published books, you can turn it into keynote presentations, workshops, immersion boot camps, and the list goes on and on and on. So there really is so many reasons why you should create an online course, not just because of the positive difference you're going to make to the world, because you can be doing less face-to-face services, you can be doing less face-to-face coaching. If you have a program that you can turn all of that knowledge into something online, deliver it automatically, you're getting passive income and you can serve hundreds of thousands of people all at the same time, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year without getting out of bed. So it really is a great idea to create your online course in 2020. So click on the link above or below, grab your free course creation starter kit right now, where you will get over 11 video tutorials, downloadable cheat sheets, worksheets, a quiz, and a course plan outline to help you get that online course finally out to the world. See you there.